there's no sign in front of it, the expression is considered to be positive. We can drop the parentheses. And of course, for positive expression, we can do the same. Now let's add the real part, 1 plus 3, 4. And add the imaginary part, negative 4 plus 2, negative 2. The answer is 4 minus 2i. Drop the parentheses for the first expression. Second expression, we distribute negative 1, negative 5 plus I. Add the real parts, 4 minus 5, negative 1. Add the imaginary part, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4i. Drop the parentheses for the first expression. Distribute negative 1 for the second expression, negative 5 plus square root of negative 64. 3 minus square root of negative 9 is square root of 9 times square root of negative 1. Minus 5 plus square root of negative 64 is square root of 64 times square root of negative 1. Square root of 9 is 3, so it's 3 minus 3i minus 5. Square root of 64 is 8 plus 8i. 3 minus 5 is negative 2. Negative 3 plus 8, positive 5. Standard form, negative 2 plus 5i. Using FOIL, we're going to multiply 2 plus 5i times 4 plus 3i. 2 times 4. Outside 2 times 3i. Inside 5i times 4. And last 5i times 3i. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 3i, 6i. 5 times 4 is 20, 20i. And 5i times 3i, 5 times 3, 15. I times I squared. 8 plus 6i plus 20i. And I squared is negative 1, so it's 15 times negative 1. 8 plus 6i plus 21i minus 15. Now, 8 minus 15 is negative 7. And 6i plus 20i is 26i. We're going to distribute 3 to 2 plus 7i. And then distribute negative 5i to 2 plus 7i. That'll be our FOIL. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 7, 21, 21i. Negative 5i times 2, negative 10i. Negative 5i times 7i, negative 35i squared. 6 plus 21 minus 10 will be 11i. Minus 35 times negative 1 will be plus 35. Now, 6 plus 35 is 41. 41 plus 11i in standard form. Negative 2i times 5 will be negative 10i. Negative 2i times negative 9i will be positive 18i squared. Negative 10i plus 18, and I squared is negative 1. 18 times negative 1. The answer is negative 10i minus 18 in standard form. Negative 18 minus 10i. 2 minus 6i times 1 plus 4i. We're going to distribute 2 to 1 plus 4i, and then distribute negative 6i to 1 plus 4i. 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 times 4i, 2 times 4 is 8, so 2 times 4i is 8i. Negative 6i times 1 is negative 6. Negative 6i times 4i, negative 24i squared. We get 2 and 8i minus 6i, positive 2i, minus 24 times I squared, which is negative 1. 2 plus 2i, negative 24 times negative 1, positive 24. 2 plus 24 is 26. We get 26 plus 2i. Negative 3i times 7, negative 21i. Negative 3i times negative 5i, positive 15i squared. Negative 21i plus 15 times negative 1, I squared is equal to negative 1. Negative 21i minus 15, and in standard form, negative 15 minus 21i.